Hey there, Titans! Welcome back to another Titan Academy video. In today's video, I want to talk to you about the difference between a Salesforce Get and a Salesforce Push Find. So as you can see in my project here, I have two copies of the same form. Now I have four fields for input. The first is account name, first name, last name, and email. Now what I want to do is I want to find a certain account with this account name, and then I want to create a contact with this information for that account. So the most obvious way to do this would be to quickly create a variable, call it account ID, and run two actions. Firstly, run a get from Salesforce, where we're going to get the account information. And then we can map our account ID back into our account ID variable. So then it's as easy as creating a new push to create a contact and mapping our variable under account ID, last name, first name, and finally, email. Then we can run first our get and then our account create, a custom order of execution. So this will get us our account ID, and this will create our contact with the account ID from our variable. So let's quickly run this. And let's enter an account name. When we hit create, if we head over to debug, you'll see we have an account ID in our client side. Now, we don't actually have to have this account ID back in our client side. We can keep this on Titan servers by using what's called a push find. So let's show you how you can set that up. Over here, under my create, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new Salesforce integration, and this time instead of creating a get, I'm going to go directly to push. Here, I want to push a new account, but I actually want to find an account. So this will not create an account, it will not update an account, it will just check if an account exists, and if it does, I will be able to use it on a nested child. So let's show you how we can do that. If no match is found, skip, and our condition is account name equals to our find account name, and that's all we need to configure here. And then we add a child, and our child is a contact create. Our account ID is our account ID from our first push find. Last name is last name, first name is first name, and email is email. So we now just select our find and save and preview. We have achieved the exact same thing without ever returning an ID to our client side. And that's how it's done.